Yeah.
Are you looking for a makeup artist? Or maybe you're ready to become one? Book a makeup appointment with me or take my private hands-on makeup masterclass. Perfect for beginners or aspiring artists who want to advance their skills. All links in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. As always, I like to start my makeup application by carving out the eyebrows. For me, this step is very important because the eyes frame your face, so I want them to be nice and crisp. If you've seen any of my makeup videos before, you know sometimes above the brow I'll use foundation, other times I'll use concealer. It really just depends on how I feel, and honestly, you can do either or. For the sake of this video not being boring or repetitive, I've skipped my application of the right eye. Now I am setting the concealer with Huda Beauty Easy Bake to prevent creasing. Get into that vibrant, extended eyeshadow. I wanted the eyes to be the focal point of the makeup. When applying eyeshadow, I usually start with my lightest shade in the crease and extend it out a little bit, but not all the way to the eyebrow. I still want to leave that brow bone exposed so that it gives a nice highlight when it's all said and done. I'm using a pencil brush to draw in the crease. I like to work in short strokes for precision. For this look, I wanted to switch it up by doing a half cut crease. It's been a minute since the last time I did one, so I thought it would be fun to do. So I kept the crease right at her natural crease line, not above it. Had I done that, it would have made the cut crease more dramatic and would have made her eyes look more bigger, but that wasn't the look I was going for. I wanted a really elongated, type of eye, so I kept everything pretty tight. I really don't plan to do too much talking through this video. Honestly, I feel like it's nicer to just watch the process and vibe to the music, honestly. And when I do that, I find my videos perform so much better because it's like you gotta give the video room to breathe. So I'm not gonna keep yapping too much longer. I'll come check back in a little bit, but just enjoy it. I'm a really big fan of brightening the inner corner of the eye. Honestly, I feel like it's the icing on the cake to any eye makeup in any eye shape. This is where the makeup begins to come alive because everything is starting to come together now. can add more because I feel like it just be disappearing. And I wanted to have that nice glow. I wanted to look like she has perfect lighting on her face at all times. If you've seen any of my other makeup videos, you know that is a thing and that is my look. I'm using my brand of lip liner on her, my Glide line, in the shade Brown Sugar. Now this is my go-to trick. I do it every time I do anyone's makeup, every time I do my own. I'm going around the lips with the foundation, and as you can see just from me doing one side versus the other, how perfect it looks and defined. And so ladies, make sure you do this every time you do your lips. Thank me later. I was unsure if I wanted to keep her lips matte, but obviously I decided to go put a gloss on them, and I am using my Liquid Luxury in Pure. Once I do my restock, I will link all this stuff in the description below. At this point, I'm setting the perimeters of her face because I've already baked the center. And I'm using the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette, which is my favorite because it gives the most beautiful finish. Now I'm adding that light color again in the inner corner to connect the bottom with the top.